guys, good evening guys. So for this video guys, may titingin na ako na generator yan, nag-alarm guys. So ayan, may alarm siya. So tingnan natin kung saan yung nito, yung problema previous. Oil pressure, coolant temperature.